Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bawa Toys. So today we have this metal die cast 1:32. Tian is the brand name. So we'll just look around what we have in the content in the box. So there are some precautions, and then it says car model, and it says open and open back. Then what we have, some model numbers, and I have this another car as well, so we're gonna unbox these two one by one. So we'll start from this green color one. So you guys would like to comment which particular model is this. I'm not really sure which model is this. So let's unscrew these plastic screws, which are actually the base or supporting for this, and then here it is pure metal die cast pushback car, which has a plastic base but a metal body on top. It has open door features. We'll open that right away. I'll just show you the car throughout. It is of my palm size almost, and yeah, as you can see that at the bottom it is of plastic. Rest of the body is of metal, and it has openable door. So does it open something else like back and in the front? No, nothing. So it has just openable doors, and that's it. Similarly, I had this white color car of metal die cast. It's of Mustang, I guess. Maybe you wanna correct me if I'm wrong in the comment. See, these are pushback cars. These moves really very fast when you push it back and then leave it on the base, and it does really looks cool, even on your desk, on your the showpiece, if you wanna put it somewhere. So this is overall a very good car at a budget price. I bought it for like 200 rupees from the local shop. We'll unbox this also in the next video. Please stay connected. Thank you guys.